you guys? We just got back from Trader Joe's, and so I have my vlog camera and I was like, let me do a casual Trader Joe's haul. So you guys know I got in trouble one time when I went inside and I tried to film, so I only share the haul after Trader Joe's. So let me share all the goodies. Let me bring my island closer. That's the cool thing about this island. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it if you guys are interested. I got some peppermint soap, foaming soap. It's so great for the holidays. Our house is all decorated for Christmas already. This green dragon hot sauce, so good with eggs, tacos, whatever, so good. And then we got some raspberries, apple bars, we got some bananas. Ooh, you don't even know. My love for brie is so strong. So we got some brie and some coconut water. I love this one. It's the organic coconut water, and it's just so good. It reminds me of Harmless Harvest, but the Trader Joe's version. Some rigatoni. We went with the kids, so they like picked out everything they wanted. They love bacon, so we got them some uncured apple smoked bacon. We saw this and we were like, it's movie night, we're gonna do this. It's Lebkuchen cookies, chocolate covered Lebkuchen. We've never had these, so we wanted to try it. Italian truffle cheese. That's it, the end of the story. Oh my gosh, I love truffle anything. And then I got this cucumber face and body wipes. Every time I go to Trader Joe's, it's a given, I'll buy it, because I like to use it to freshen myself up after the gym, because like in between classes, because sometimes I'll take double classes and I don't want to be smelly for the next workout class. So yeah, and then when I get home I'll shower, but in between that, like the 10-minute in between, I don't want to be smelly. We got Sweet Tango organic apples, some eggs. This is one of the best ice cream I've ever had. This is the vanilla fudge chip ice cream by Trader Joe's, so bomb. This is charcuterie assorted flavored dog treats. I got it for a family member. She has like these 2 ginormous dogs, and so this is one of their Christmas gifts, because I give all my family members their pets gifts too, because they're part of the family. So that's why I wanted to do that. Charcuterie. And then, oh my gosh, focaccia bread. I make this delicious garlic focaccia burrata cheese with basil and tomato bread. I have a recipe on my TikTok. If you guys are interested, follow me there. My TikTok is AprilAthena7. It's very easy to find, but I will link the specific garlic bread that I make with this focaccia bread. Bomb! So bomb! And then Justin's ready. We're gonna make a charcuterie board tonight. This is a cracker assortment. And then we got a bunch, I don't even know how many we bought. We bought like, I think more than this, but I just put some away. This is the Belgian truffle chocolate, and it's already wrapped. It's really great to give to, like, you know, like your neighbors, teachers. It's a good stocking stuffer. It fits in the stocking. Yeah, and inside it has this kind of chocolate inside. Yeah, so, and don't, you guys, I'm sorry, I was super close. $4.99. And then we were outside of Trader Joe's and they had this grump tree Liam wants to put in his room. So yeah, it was like $8.99 or something, the grump tree. And we got some Egg-Witch breadless breakfast sandwiches, some mozzarella cheese. Liam asked for this for movie night tonight. We got a bunch of wild berry smoothie, some crackers, the rice crackers. I love Persian cucumbers. They're the organic ones. I love these cucumbers just for snacking. And we found some really good stuff in the freezer section. Brie and croûte. We love brie. Chicken tikka masala. Justin loves Indian food, so if we don't know what we're having one day, he'll eat that. Fury chicken curry. Fury. Yeah. And then we got a bunch of like applesauce, different flavors, unsalted butter, because when I bake my butter is unsalted, Jacob picked this, blueberries and cream. We had to have 2 carts. It was that big of a Trader Joe's day for us. Semi-sweet chocolate chunks for baking. Ooh, I'm so excited about this, you guys. On my Cook with April channel, we have like this cracker recipe called like crack cracker or whatever. It's so good. It's like caramel, saltines, chocolate, like toffee goodness, right? I don't gotta make it no more. Trader Joe's makes it too. Salty honey toffee milk chocolate covered crackers. So if you're lazy and you don't want to make it yourself, Trader Joe's has it now too. And then Justin, we had 2 carts, right? So I was strolling along with Jacob, Liam was with Justin, and they were like on their own, and I was with Jacob, and Justin found this, and then I found this, and I was like, dude, we were really meant to be. Justin got the dark chocolate roasted pistachio toffee. Justin is a dark chocolate guy. And then we got this blue cheese roasted pecan dip. I've never tried that. I like their smoked salmon. I like their caramelized onion dip, but this is something new, so I'm not sure, but I know I love blue cheese. And we got some strawberry bars for the kids. And oh, back here we have spicy uncured charcuterie collection because of our charcuterie board. Dark chocolate chips. We got, oh, let me come and get it. Some Satsuma oranges. Oh, this is the good stuff. Smoked salmon dip. We got burrata. It's part of the garlic bread that I was talking about on my TikTok that I made. So definitely like look for that. I'll link it below. This is Justin's favorite. It's the Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. And then he also got the body wash. He just likes the tea tree everything. And then he also likes the conditioner, so he just has a whole complete collection of the tea tree collection stuff. Justin found this one, shrimp tikka masala with cumin rice. I can't wait to hear what he thinks about that. Thai shrimp deal. Oh my god. You guys, if you can't figure out what to eat, just follow the directions. Fry these up and then steam it. Do all the things you're supposed to. Oh my god. With a dipping, make the dipping sauce. Make some kind of sauce. Amazing. Fresh basil for my garlic bread today. So for drinks, we have the organic cold brew coffee. Justin got a few of these. He loves these. Justin also picked out this. Y'all, I don't know how to say it. I really don't. He just got this wine. Can't even say. I apologize. Here's a close-up. Can't say. I don't know how to say it. And then Justin and I are very different with our alcoholic beverage choices. I like things that are sweet. I'm so excited about this, you guys. It is cocoa cream liqueur. I like to just have it over ice. It says it is. See, our chocolate cream liqueur is a blend of real dairy cream and premium spirits. It's mild-bodied, and it's pretty much, I saw the description, and it's pretty much like chocolate cream, like a hot cocoa flavor with marshmallows, but alcoholic. So if you like hot chocolate but you like an alcoholic version, I'm sure you can heat it up or whatever, but I like it iced. And I bought 2 because we have a wine fridge. I never thought that I would ever use Justin's wine fridge, but now I will because I like this so much. I bought 2. Tried this. Oh, it tastes just like the Godiva chocolate liqueur. So if you want a cheaper alternative, and it's got like marshmallow flavor to it and chocolate. It's literally hot cocoa with alcohol, but cold because I added ice. I'm glad I got 2, honey.
Dang.
Just saying. So yeah, that is my Trader Joe's haul, my friends. Thank you, friends, so much for watching. This was super casual. I wasn't even planning on doing it, but since we went to Trader Joe's, I was like, why not? So thank you friends so much for watching. I will link the yummy burrata bread recipe below, and if you like my island, I'll link that too, and my little jogger set I got on Amazon, I'll link that too. I love you friends. Have a great day. Oh, and join me on Instagram. I'm giving away a Nespresso right now, so if you guys are interested, follow me on Instagram and I'll put it down there. Bye friends.